somebody interested in marketing field and he and she is an engineer, then he should apply his skills for engineering in marketing field.
So why not BBA? So why not
I
BBA?
agree with you, but if someone is supposed to compete in MBA, then he or she is supposed to go through BBA. It's not compulsory that BTech is necessary.
But
BTech simply includes the technical field.
But if someone is interested in engineering and also in marketing, then
this is not the solution.
Okay, let's take it in very numerical way. If you have done engineering, it was your passion, you did it, and now you have a point that marketing will give me more of means much more amount of income than compared to my master's degree or PhD, because as I have heard, HRs directly say when you've done master's degree and you say I want this particular job and I'm eligible for this, the person will always offer you less according to you.
Yes, I agree with Shreyas, because engineering is also field, marketing is also field for engineers also. It is not important that the MBA is only BBA person is MBA.
But one should go for MBA after BBA also.
Yeah,
yes, he should go for MBA after BBA, but engineers also should go for MBA after engineering.
Engineering and management are the different two ways.
No,
If you are doing let me explain my point. Engineering field and marketing field deviates from engineering field. You cannot go further studying in management field. If you are studying, but you have studied in engineering, you can't be implement on marketing field, because this is a different field. You are selling your product.
You want directly say to you that you are overqualified for the job if you have done PhD.
I am explaining my. You sell your product, not make your product. So what you have studied in engineering, you make product.
It's about
marketing field. You
not,
sell the
it's
product.
not only about marketing; it is about management also.
It's management.
It's the
main
point about management is the major point, not marketing.
It's not management. Management's come in engineering also. You manage people in engineering field also. But this
Yeah,
is
we do, but
Because if any civil engineer wants to sell his or her map, any design, so he's also has an
it's a different thing. You are correlating things. You are correlating things. When you want sell, we are discussing about management.
If you are in the technical field, then you should prefer MTech for the PhD, not MBA.
If
If
anybody
has some marketing strategies in it,
Yes.
so he must go for an MBA.
Then he should also work in BBA.
It's all about engineer by passion. I am an engineer by passion. If I have some skills which I can show in MBA or in marketing or in finance or in HR, I am a good speaker, I am a good communicator, then I should go for MBA.
So why you choose engineering?
But according to me, it will not be a good decision to change your
If you want to do some business, technical related business, then you have to have some knowledge of technical.
Because tomorrow you will go to the market. After completing engineering, you will go to the market. It's not come to have a technical engineering with management knowledge.
Everyone is not required to go to market.
No. Tomorrow you will have to go to the market.
It's not for everyone.
You can. I agree with that. It's not for everyone, but not all the students go to the government sector. Many of us will go to the private sector also. So they must also know the management knowledge. It's up to their interest. It's not compulsory. You can go. You can opt for the MTech. If you want to do something research work, but if you will go to the market, you must know the knowledge of the management. What is going in the market? What is happening in the market? What are the prices? What are the policies? You must have to know all these things. For that, you will have to do
For
the
this, we have to do MBA. For this, we have to do MBA. If you are working in a company, we cannot see what is happening in the market.
Let Nagesh be the part of this GD also. Nagesh, give some point, give your ideas on this topic. Maybe it is beneficial for our group.
Yes, I think because engineering is technical knowledge that is used for MBA also.
Thank you, sir.
Also, there is a difference.
I'm not agree with you, sir, because this is a passion of after BTech we have to do management. All are running to do management because they get this good package and they have the good position.
So what do you want after BTech? Are you planning to have a job, or are you planning to have a research, like you should be having a name and you will be bankrupt and you will have a name? This is what you want.
Which which are sitting here, they all will go for the job.
Everyone will go for the job. Everyone wants a better package. And if you are working for a plant or company for 5 years and they are not incrementing in your, means there is no increment in your salary,
So you will
what
do
do you
MBA
want?
Then there is no incremental, you will do MBA.
So what is the
You-
purpose
it
of
will-
doing
no,
it?
it will-
They are not providing.
Okay, you cannot, apart from
If you
that,
have to go for an MBA after
This sounds
pursuing
very
a
scary.
BTech, then what is the meaning of the BTech?
Sorry,
No.
sorry sir for distraction, but I want to say that your goal is not fixed. You are not.
If anybody, okay, his goal not fixed. If anybody wants MBA after BTech, his goal is fixed, not then.
I'm saying that
He's competing on money.
No, not his money.
Actually, money is not
If
everything.
you have
Do what we like.
Money-
Do what your passion. Do
If
what your
anybody
passion.
is
you want yourself, okay, you want yourself to be bankrupt and you want a name.
I don't. Yeah, I need a name. I don't need money. Yeah. I
Okay,
want to go
so
research field. I
okay,
want
If you
to
don't have a incremental, you are not okay. If you don't have, you are doing MBA.
Anyone, if
Can we have an example? Can we have an example?
then it will
Sundar
be
Pichai, you know everybody Sundar Pichai.
Only
It's just an
1,000,
example.
yeah.
Just an example.
exceptional is not example.
It's just an example.
That's exceptional.
How can you say it's example?
Some cases
How
are
can
very
you say it's
exceptional.
Yeah, this is not exceptional.
He
MS
Yeah,
Dhoni,
yeah,
does
yeah,
what?
other people also like it.
MS Dhoni was also a footballer before playing cricket, as you know.
But he's also passionate of cricket.
Yeah,
So
so-
he's also
That's
passionate.
the point. That's the point. If anybody is passionate in marketing and also in engineering field, then he will implement his engineering skills in marketing.
But marketing,
yeah.
No,
he's not right decision.
you know,
So we take like I want to tell you one thing.
Okay.
So let's see.
Let's
Let's see first. Let's see.
Yeah, give you.
You know, BTech plus management is a killer combination. You
Yeah,
know,
that is-
there is a
management is killer.
scope to scale his project, and it makes a good reach in the market.
As
So,
sir
it
showed
is
us
better
an
to have
example day before yesterday,
good knowledge of
Noida
market
Voice.
also.
Sir said he was a double barrel. What does that mean? He was a
BTech and
BTech from IIT. And
You are taking the example of the bigger person who has made it happen.
Okay. What
You
is
are
an ideal? What is an
here
ideal?
just
An
to
ideal
show us
is a bigger
that
person who
it
is
is not
successful.
bad.
Because they are passionate. Here we are talking
You are not
about.
passionate. Okay,
we
you
are
are saying you are not passionate.
Me-
Final decision.
Because
They had
I'm saying
overcome
that.
down.
I'm saying
Because they
that.
had overcome down, so we are considering.
If all engineers go
We
for
are-
MBA,
we are-
then what is the meaning of engineering?
We are not talking
You
about
are not BTech
It is
not about all those
depend
people
on the
go
person
whether an
interest,
engineer
na?
should
Yeah.
go. If he
Not
likes to go,
not
he
everybody
must
is
go.
for
In India,
I want to say that
everything there
if you are interested in going to management, then why should you apply for the GATE exam? You will go for the CAT.
No, no.
If you are damn sure about that, you will go for
Are you very
No,
certain
no,
you
no,
know?
no. You know he has applied for GATE.
It's not a matter that he has applied for GATE. It's not a matter that he has applied for GATE.
Listen. I have completed my BTech and I want to judge my knowledge or whatever I learned, so I can fill up the GATE exam. I just want to judge my level. It doesn't mean that I can for the MBA. You want to just
I want to say, if you want to judge your knowledge, if you get an PSC gate, then you will not go in PSC.
Yes, I will definitely.
No, but
Your goal is not fixed, brother.
then you
Topic is
No, no. You know,
the topic is MBA is good after the BTech or not. It's not that
he said that he wants to judge your knowledge. Listen here.
I want to give an example. I want to give an example. Day before yesterday we have discussed about Usha Bhosle. So you are saying that he has double barrel. IIM and IITN. Sorry, IITN and IMBN. What is the use of his BTech degree?
Of IIT.
It is beneficial for him doing BTech and then he is doing management. Do you think even a single thing which he has done in management,
No, like
for the
he,
use of
Okay, who is the person in charge of the manufacturing department? Who is he? He is the engineer who has done his management degree also, because he has the knowledge about managing every person under him.
Every degree
yes.
Yeah.
But every employer is not competent MBA.
What I didn't get your point.
Every employer in your organization is not MBA.
Yeah, he's not. Because that's why
We are not
That's
saying
why
everyone is
Going for a managerial position, then I should go for an MBA. I should go.
But
for
how
the
many
technical
go for
field.
a BA student, a BBA student, a BCom student? They all go for MBA.
yeah, a teacher.
I apply for maintenance.
You know, excuse me. Listen.
We are not debating. We are in group discussion. Everyone should get a chance. Okay? She wants to say something, just listen to her. And after that, everyone will put an opinion.
That it only depends on your interest. It depends on your interest. That after BTech you are doing MBA or other. Yes, I agree with that.
Let Sudha speak. Sudha, what's your opinion?
I think if we are doing engineering, that we can implement our knowledge in
Yes.
engineering field better than marketing.
You can enhance your skills in
Yes, you can enhance your skills by doing the marketing knowledge.
He said that I am with their opinion because what happens if you are from doing MBA, if you have a degree, you can say that you can sell anything in your market. If you are doing
management degree doesn't say.
you are saying doing MBA is only a thing that after that.
I never said.
It's about HR, finance. There are so many departments.
So doing BTech is here
For
for you.
department, EE, AE, JE.
But all they are assistant means junior.
Marketing.
AE means assistant.
Ability is important. Main thing is ability. If you have ability, you can.
He's also implemented very well. Not even
Take an example of your college. Take an example of your college. Your professors,
Our college.
your assistant professors,
Our college.
everyone. Yeah.
Our college.
Yeah. Your assistant professors and every student here will be filling the form of gate. Does that makes them specialized for working in a PSU or something? No. They might be better in management skills or their management skills might be better. They would have aimed for something better. So why not a 2 years course use their career to a different level when they can
They are enhancing their knowledge. They are enhancing their
It is not
knowledge and
compulsory
chatting.
that if anybody wants to go in MBA, he should not give the exam or give. It is not compulsory.
Students go for MBA. Do you think?
No,
Yes.
but I am not in support that.
Let's make conclusion. After doing let's make conclusion that one who is passionate about the
So you think that
We
have to excuse me.
we have to conclude something.
We haven't ever heard a word from Vibha.
Okay. Let's
Let's hear a word from Vibha or Anjali.
say something.
It's depend on the person's choice that he and she wants to do MBA and MBA. I should for MBA is the better because he got a chance to in marketing also.
Yes, I agree.
Engineering and
So it sounds like a technical manager.
Yes, of course.
Actually, you are debating if you are doing an MBA after BTech. If you are an engineer, you should have to be an engineer.
No, it is
not.
not.
It is not.
compulsory.
It is not. That is the.
Okay.
If Sachin Tendulkar is a good cricketer, everyone know. If he wants that I should have to play football also, then you don't think that he could be a good footballer or good.
Yeah, he can be. He can be. That is okay. That is the worst notion I've ever heard. Sorry.
Not this is not what.
You know why? This is my opinion. Sorry, but this is my opinion.
Okay. Let Sushil also say something.
You know, MBA makes in engineer smarter.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I agree.
One more point.
Yes.
He's expanding his field.
Yes.
And we are not saying that every engineer should go for MBA. We are not saying that every engineer should not should go for MBA.
But if one wants to go for MBA, let him do. It is his personal choice.
It's depend on
You cannot judge him by saying that you should not go for MBA because you are engineer. You cannot judge him.
Do you know some students of BSc? Some students of BSc also go for MBA.
So guys,